Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, January the 1st at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach when you are in the store. And also it's very important to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first I'll ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that is before taxes. Now, if your store has the newer keypads in place, you have to ask your cashier what your subtotal is. If you still have the older keypads in place, it will actually show you what your subtotal is on the screen. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Now, if you have the older keypad still at your store, it will actually show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Now, keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction and try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account. And if you need any paper coupons over as well, those will still work because the transaction was never completed. And I also want to mention that I uploaded a video earlier this week. It's Crazy Coupons Guide, How to Coupon for Beginners in 2022. So if you missed that video, definitely go and check it out. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. So since I was finishing up that video earlier this week, I wasn't able to upload a Good Deals and Glitch List video, but I still wanted to go over a few digital coupons with you guys. So this week at Dollar General, we have some Christmas clearance items. Now, I'm not sure what all your stores have left, but here's a couple of digital coupons that you may want to keep in mind when you're out clearance shopping. So we still have this Jell-O Save 2 when you spend 6, and we also have 2 off 10 for the Mars Wrigley candies. And then we also have quite a few digital coupons that are expiring today, so definitely check your accounts and see what you have left because we have a lot of really awesome deals. Now, it is kind of unusual for Dollar General to have all of these coupons expiring on a Friday. I'm guessing it's just because it's the last day of the year. But anyways, let's go over a couple of these really good deals. So first up, we still have the Axe coupons. So we have a one-off one for the Axe products. If you want to pick up the 1.7 ounce Axe deodorants, those are priced at $2.50. Use that one-off one digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1.50. And then we also have the 2 off 2 Axe products digital coupon that expires today. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Axe 1.7 ounce deodorants, that's going to put you at $5. Use that 2 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. And here's a really old glitch, but we still have this coupon and it is still working. So we have 25 cents off one for the Welch's Fruit Snacks. This works on these single packs that you can find up near the register. They're 34 cents. Use that 25 cent off one digital coupon and that's going to leave you paying just 9 cents. All right, next up we have the Suave freebies. So this 2 off 2 digital coupon is working on a big variety of products. You can get some really good deals, and here's a couple of freebies you can pick up. So if you want to pick up the Suave deodorant 1.4 ounces, there's a couple of different scents you can choose from. Pick up 2 of those at $1 each. Use that 2 off 2 digital coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. Or you could also pick up these Suave shampoos or conditioners. There's sun-ripened strawberry and I think the coconut as well. These are 15 fluid ounces. These are $1 each. Pick up 2 of those. Use that 2 off 2 digital coupon, and again, that'll make it completely free. And this digital coupon is also working on these Suave Ocean Breeze 2-count bar soaps. So pick up 2 of those at $1 each. Use that digital coupon, and again, that's going to make it completely free. Now keep in mind you can mix and match as well. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into our 5 off $25 scenarios, and we're going to kick this off with a gain deal. So here's a couple of quick tips I have for you all. First up, you want to make sure that you scan each and every gain scented product. This is very, very important, especially for gain scenarios. So you want to make sure that you have the 5 off 30 gain, which in our case this week, it is a 5 off 20 gain, a 5 off 25, and if you have a gain manufacturer digital coupon, you want to make sure that all 3 of those coupons show up up under each Gain scented product. This is very important because some Gain products and some Gain scented products do not work with the 5 off 20 Gain coupon. And here's just a quick example. So let's pretend we're in the store and we want to pick up the Gain Flings 51 count Moonlight Breeze scent. So these are priced at $13.50. We have a 3 off 1 digital manufacturer coupon for that individual product. Plus we have our 5 off 20 and our 5 off 25. Now keep in mind this is just an example. These coupons that are on your screen here are older coupons because that does say a 5 off 30 Gain instead of a 5 off 20, but the same rules still apply. You want to make sure that all 3 digital coupons show up under those Gain Flings 51 count. And the reason it's so important to scan each and every product that you purchase is because just because these 3 coupons show up underneath the Gain Flings 51 count Moonlight Breeze scent does not mean that all 3 coupons will work on the Gain Flings 51 count original scent. So it is very, very important to scan. Alright guys, so for this Gain deal, you want to pick up one of the Gain 51 count flings at $13.50, one of the Gain laundry products at $6.95. Now there's a big variety that you can choose from. There's liquid laundry detergent, fabric softener, sheets, scent boosters, you name it. You pick out the product that you need for your household. Then you want to pick up one of the big Simply Soleil razors at $3.30, one of the Crest with Scope toothpaste found in the dollar aisle for $1, and one of the Vicks Vapo Cool cough drops also found in the dollar aisle for $1. Your subtotal is going to be $25.75. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 5 off 20 Gain, the 3 off 1 Gain Flings 51 count, the 2 off 1 Gain Laundry, the 3 off 1 Bic Razors, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 150 off 1 Vicks. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $4.25 for all 5 items, making each one just 85 cents each. I think that is a fantastic deal. Alright guys, next up I have a little household deal here for you. Now this one's a little bit specific, but if you can find these items, it's going to be an awesome deal. So pick up one of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits at $7.50. This is the holiday scented ones that are on clearance right now. If you can't find those and you need to pick up the regular one, that's fine too. You're just going to pay a couple extra dollars more. Then you want to pick up one of the Microban Disinfectant Sprays at $6. Then you want to pick up one of the Glad Tall Kitchen 13-gallon trash bags. These are 38 count and they are the Gain Moonlight Breeze scent. These are priced at $5. Then you want to pick up one of the Puffs tissue cubes at $1.65, one of the Crest with Scope toothpaste from the dollar aisle for $1, one of the Vicks Vapo Cool cough drops from the dollar aisle for $1, and one of the big Simply Soleil razors for $3.30. Your subtotal will be $25.45. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, the 3 off 1 Microban Spray, 150 off 1 Glad Trash Bags, 1 off 1 Puffs Tissue, 2 off 1 Crest Toothpaste, the 150 off 1 Vicks, and the 3 off 1 Bic Razors. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.45 for 7 items, making each one just 77 cents each. Alright guys, next up we have a little mix match deal here. So for this one you want to pick up 12 Dr. Pepper 2 liters. Yes, I did say 12. These are on sale this week, 3 for $3. Then you want to pick up 3 of the Kind single bars for $4.95. We have a little glitch going on with these. These are $1.65 each. One of the big Simply Soleil razors for $3.30. One of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1. One of the Vicks Vapo Cool cough drops for $1, 3 of the American greeting cards for $1.50, those are 50 cents each, and 1 Airwick warmer 1 count for $1.65. Your subtotal will be $25.40. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 2 off 10 Dr. Pepper, the 1 off 2 Kind bars, the buy 2, get 1 free Kind bars. That's going to take off $1.65. The 3 off 1 Bic razors, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, 150 off 1 Vicks, 150 off 3 American greeting cards, and 160 off 1 Airwick warmer. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $6.15 for 22 items, making each one just 27 cents each. Alright, next up we have a little personal care deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Dial 12-ounce body washes for $2.75, one of the Zest 2-count bar soaps for $2, one of the Playtex Sport tampons for $3.50, one of the Bic Simply Solo razors for $3.30, one of the Puffs tissue cubes for $1.65, one Oral-B Indicator 2-count toothbrush for $3, one of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $2.50, 5 of the Bic 10-count blue or black pens for $5. Those are $1 each. And 3 of the American greeting cards for $1.50. Those are 50 cents each. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $25.20. And here are the digital coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Dial body wash, 1 off 1 Zest, 2 off 1 Playtex Sport, 3 off 1 Bic razors, 1 off 1 Puffs tissue, 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, 2 off 5 Bic stationery, and the 150 off 3 American greeting cards. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $4.70 for 15 items, making each one just 31 cents each. Alright guys, next up here's another little household deal. So for this one you want to pick up 2 of the Microban disinfectant sprays for $12. Those are $6 each. 2 of the Lysol 80 count wipes for $5.50. Those are $2.75 each. 1 of the Puffs tissue cubes for $1.65. 2 of the Airwick 1 count warmers for $3.30. They are $1.65 each. 3 of the American greeting cards for $1.50. They are 50 cents each. 1 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1. 1 of the Vicks Vapo Cool cough drops for $1, and that is going to bring your subtotal to $25.95. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 6 off 2 Microban sprays, the buy 1 get 1 free Lysol wipes, 1 off 1 Puffs tissue, 160 off 1 Airwick warmer, 150 off 1 Airwick product, 150 off 3 American greeting cards, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and 150 off 1 Vicks. Your subtotal after coupons will be $3.10 for 12 items, making each one just 25 cents each. Alright guys, so that is it for our 5 off $25 scenarios for this week, but I wanted to mention today is the last day for our Craz-E coupon surprise giveaways. So throughout the whole month of December, I have been randomly choosing comments and people to give out surprise giveaways to. So if you are a winner and I have been in contact with you, don't worry about it. I haven't forgot about you. I have a lot of giveaways going out in the mail today. So be on the lookout for your surprises in your mailbox next week. And if you haven't won one yet, don't worry about it. Leave a comment down below this video to be entered to win. I'm going to be choosing a few more people today to win some surprises. And also, don't forget to go back and check out my Craz-E coupons guide, how to coupon for beginners in 2022. Like I said, I'm going to leave that video linked down in the pinned comment below, and leave a comment on that video as well, because the more comments you leave, the better chance you have of winning. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so because we would love to have you as a part of our Craz-E couponing community. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but I wish each and every one of you a very, very happy new year. Happy 2022, everybody. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.